Hi, this is Ivy with WTI, and if you're looking for a makeup primer that is both affordable and effective, then look no further. This e.l.f. Power Grip Primer is a great 2-in-1. It really helps to make sure that my makeup stays on all day. I absolutely love the gel-like sticky texture. As you can see, when I do touch my finger on it, the primer sticks instantly, and this is what helps you to layer makeup on top of makeup without you ever have to worry about it fading. This primer has so many benefits. Because it's made of 4% niacinamide, it really helps your skin complexion. So while it also helps with the makeup and it lasting longer, at the same time, it brightens your skin, it tightens your skin, it evens out your skin texture, and leaves you with a great dewy finish. Sometimes I'll just use this primer and I'll put a little skin tint or sunscreen on top, and I can really feel the difference in my skin. Here I am wearing the primer under my usual base routine. It really helped my foundation and concealer sit in without separating. And after that, I did my full face of makeup, and as you can see, all the layers of makeup are blending beautifully and they are not separating thanks to the primer. There is also no white cast whatsoever, so this makes this product suitable for all skin types. I absolutely love this primer. Ever since I started using it, I have not gone back. And I recommend it to anyone, but that's just my point of view.